Hi Hackaday. This is my project. The goal of this project is to replace the internals, the logic board of a first generation iPad with a new logic board based around the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. The first generation iPad has been out of software support for so long that it barely functions anymore, even if the hardware is still healthy. There are very limited apps available, and web browsing is also sort of broken. My project can reuse most of the hardware from the iPad and make it useful again. The iPad has a big battery, big old touch screen, buttons, speakers, charging port, Wi-Fi antennas, everything that you need to make a good tablet, except for a usable logic board. Hopefully this project can save a few old iPads from becoming e-waste. Let me show you what the project looks like so far. So this is the inside of the iPad. We've got the back case. I've opened up the iPad, so I've got the back case with the battery attached, and the speakers are down here. And then the buttons are also attached to that case. And then this is the front and my replacement logic board. So the screen is on the front, of course. When the project is finished, this heatsink will be gone, this little hack that I have on there will be gone, this battery will be gone. So this should fit into the case, like so. But for now, this is obviously just a prototype, so we're just working with the front. And I've got my own battery that I've attached. Here I'm going to show the tablet booting into the Raspberry Pi desktop, and then I will launch the Chromium web browser and browse around a little bit. The touch screen does work, though it's a little bit glitchy. It feels false touches every once in a while, which makes it a little bit frustrating to use. I also haven't set up a virtual keyboard or anything like that. And the Raspberry Pi desktop, while it does work in touchscreen mode, it's not really touchscreen optimized. So at some point I'll try and install Android on this. There are some Android builds for the Raspberry Pi, so hopefully I can get one of those working and get a much more tablet-oriented interface and be able to run Android apps. So that's my project. I hope you find it interesting. If you do, you can follow it on Hackaday. I'll post a link in the description. Thanks. Take care.